let's take a look at this panorama of Semmerings. This here is produced or published in Vienna, middle of the 19th century, 1855. Peter Bicknell bookplate on the front paste down there. There is explanatory text for the first 15 pages, then a short little list of other items available. And what we see here is this very long folding tinted lithographed panoramic view, like so. That unfolds like this, creating this enormous, very nice, long, realistic view, bird's eye prospect view, with identifying features below it, and it folds up concertina or leporello style, like so, back in to the covers, gilt lettered, blind ruled, and this is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.